See, it's not enough. I definitely need to increase the cut force. It barely touched the vinyl. Didn't work. Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're gonna use our $200 vinyl cutter. You heard that right, only $200. We're gonna make about 12 t-shirts and we're gonna use the glitter vinyl. But let's get started with this episode so I can share all the information with you guys. So yeah, that's right, we're gonna use the Cameo 4. This is a 12-inch vinyl cutter. Right now, this is how much you can get it for. And we're using the Caesar glitter vinyl. And of course, we're gonna use the tape application roller to make the process a lot easier. And the Silhouette Studio, the one that comes totally free with this vinyl cutter, that's a great thing, or what makes it very affordable. And of course, we're going to use the Hotronix 16x20 heat press. Right now, I only cut about 3 of them. I just want to test the cut force and see if we need to increase it or decrease it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the vinyl to the back of the machine and then cut it from behind. I can even see where the vinyl cutter cut the vinyl from. We're going to have to increase the cut force for sure, but I'm going to try this and see. This is the reason why I only did like 3 of them, just to make sure that we have the settings right. I was concerned at first because I couldn't see anything. I didn't think the vinyl cutter did anything to the vinyl, but I think we are facing the first challenges. See, it's not enough. I definitely need to increase the cut force. It barely touched the vinyl. Didn't work. So these were the settings that I had previously, and I just went through one of our old videos, and I need to increase blade depth. Cut force is going to be at 28. That's how much we had it before. And speed, we're going to have it at 13. This is the second try. We're very low on vinyl. We only need to make 12 t-shirts, so I don't have to worry too much about it. But hopefully we get it right this time. It doesn't seem to be cutting through the vinyl, which is always a good thing. If you're liking this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Remember that if you would like to support us additionally, we also have memberships available. All you have to do is just go to the join button to see all the options available. As always, thank you for your support. Now it's time to try the second vinyl that we cut. And as you can see, we already tried the first one down here, which went smoothly. Now I'm gonna start with this one here. This is the reason why I only do a few of them instead of compromising with the whole thing. I didn't want to waste that much material. I gotta say, I'm impressed with like the details. This is probably the only project that we do with this material and with these many details. Glitter vinyl is very challenging, especially when you have something like this. We're not used to doing this anymore. I mean, we only get to do it once in a while. I can't believe we used to do this all the time. Like when we used to have the small shop, we used to work on a lot of orders like this. But look at that. I mean, you can definitely see like a small details. Like if I zoom in, you can see like the letters. But I mean, I'm probably comparing this with the Graphic, but I mean, this is only a $200 vinyl cutter, which in my opinion is, I mean, it's totally worth it. We're almost finished with everything. And I'm gonna go and check the settings here. Temperature has to be at 315. We're gonna give it 14 seconds. And let me go and check and see how Nacho is doing. Those are the last ones, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so that he's pretty much finished with every single one of them. Now it's time to start pressing our t-shirts. And this is the brand that we use, Gildan Dry Blend, 50 cotton, 50 polyester. The very first thing I need to do, I need to get rid of the wrinkles as well as the moist. I'm just gonna give it like 4 or 5 seconds. And then the logo, the top section of it, I'm gonna apply it about, well, I'll just actually show it to you here in the heat press. I'm gonna do about 825, a little bit lower, sorry. I moved it too quick. Yeah, like 825. And then the advantage of using this type of vinyl is that it has the adhesive and you can lift the garment and just get an idea. And it does not look aligned. I need to move it a little bit to the left and then align it from this side here. A little bit, not too much. All right, that's a lot better. Now I'm gonna do the full cycle, and I mean, it's very easy, like this project. I'm talking about the application of the design of the logo, because weeding out was a pain in the honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And now I can do hot peel. And I'm actually gonna do a few extra seconds just to be sure. Like, we've been using this material for a long time. Actually, this is like one of the very first materials that we ever tried, and our customers are very satisfied with it. I know it's not very affordable. It's a little bit expensive, but it's totally worth it. And look at that. And we used the $200 vinyl cutter. What do you guys think about it? Let us know in the comments. And I'm gonna keep on pressing more shirts because we have a few more to go. This is the very last t-shirt that we gotta press. And I can remove this. And we are officially done, except I gotta press it for a few more seconds just in case. Guys, remember that if you like this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Remember that if you would like to support us additionally, we have memberships available. All you have to do is just go to the join button to see all the options available. And you can also get your materials and equipment through our website. That is www.rdidecals.com. As always, we appreciate your support. Thank you so much. See you until the next one.